so it looks like I am gonna end up racing a 370. What is up, YouTube? Welcome back to another video. As you guys read by today's title, we are going to be going to the drag strip in the slow car today. I really wish I could take my Z on there, but first, it's having some minor little boost issues. Second, if I launch that car at that power level, I know I'm gonna break quite a bit of stuff, so I'll pass on that. So we're taking the slow automatic car. It's a drag strip. I mean, what's gonna break on this one? Nothing. So we're gonna go have some fun. We're actually gonna meet up with one of my homies. He has a Cam Silverado. It's pretty fast too, I'm not gonna lie. So we're gonna probably catch a run on the strip. I'm pretty sure I'm gonna get gapped, especially with this pretty bad header leak that I got. But run what you brung, I ain't tripping. It's all for fun. After that, if he gaps me really bad on the strip, I'm gonna tell him if we can hop on the freeway, maybe catch like a little 4U or something, see how that goes. But as of right now, we are going to be sitting in traffic for like the next hour, so I ain't trying to bore you guys, so I'll pick it up once we're there. Next car. Safe to say we made it, guys. Damn, I'm almost kind of embarrassed to race this slow ass car here. Meanwhile, we wait for the homie. I'm actually parked by like the finish line, so I'm gonna walk over there and get a little flybys for you guys. Damn, she looks clean looking. Damn, the big brother got the little brother. So the homie just called me, said that he pulled up. Damn, look at that Supra. Need one, bro. You guys are gonna trip out. His truck sounds so sick. Who's gonna gap me, bro? He's on a drag pack. Low key? What's up, dog? Must be nice. This makes me want a Cam V8 so bad, guys. So he just told me he's not like fully dialed in, but he's still gonna send it. I'm still gonna get gapped, bro. He's my homie. Like I'd be like talking shit to him, like, oh, like my Q will gap you, this and this and that, and we're gonna make it happen. I'm about to eat my words, bro, because I'm about to get walked. I wish I could bring the Z here. I think with the next kit, I'm gonna upgrade some suspension parts and send it. I didn't even notice there's a 370Z on the wheels right here. Alright, boosted. Alright, guys, got the wristband somewhere under there. Now I'm ready to get gapped.
Trying to get a race going against a snack pack. No fucking camera skills, bro. Boys amazed at the car.
Every time I race you, so you want a sport, right? Yeah, sport.
About to get dragged.
Alright, guys, we're in the line or whatever it is. Look at this crazy ass Mustang on the full drag pack. V-Locks in the back. Kirky Racy. Okay, dog, I see you. Damn, this was gapping something today. We got another white Mustang over here on the V-Locks as well. Damn, this one's sick. The 4 stars, Karma Hood. Damn, red car just hit different, guys. Shit's sick. Damn, there's hella Mustangs here, bro. The black one's sick too, all black. On the Venturas. Should've got a 10-speed low-key. Oh shit. Hellcat swapped or what? Damn, I completely missed it. GT500, that's parked right next to me. Sick. And we got the slowest car here. Check out this buggy, bro. Yeah, that's crazy. I've never seen one like this. That exhaust is sick. Wheelie bar. 06 on the V-Locks. With the red interior? The red guts? That gray one is sick, huh? Aim on the 4 stars. This white body cat right here. Fire. Damn. I ain't playing no games. I'll give you 20 bucks if you run down there and run back. I don't got anything, bro. Got the 4-door truck over here with the supercharger. Shoo. That's hard. Just a V6? Just a V6? Shit. That's sick, bro. What the f? Looks like a straight work truck. About to gap your ass. Studying the queue for one of these. Soon. Maybe. I don't know. I don't know if you guys could tell. Probably not. But there's hella flies, bro. Everywhere. Everywhere you go, there's flies. Finally, bro. We've been sitting here for like an hour and a half for them to clean the track. Finally. Ah, the smell of E5. Ah.
Urge of the right, push your right leg. 539, 128. Mustang gets out and shakes back Donovan.
This looks sick with this tire setup. Got that shit. Meanwhile, I don't give a f what my PSI is at. Bro, look at this Hellcat. Oh, mommy. Oh, I think I seen it here last time. Damn, that's sick as hell. Damn, bro, I think I'm a drag racer now. I never used one of these. I'm about to use it. I'm about to. Really? Did you?
Yeah, that shit was $3.99, you know. I don't know how to deal with that.
That 5-finger discount? How do you do this shit? Allah. 39? Yeah, that's the recipe to lose right there. Let me lower it down to 10. I'm telling you guys, I'm a full-on drag racer now. It's just so cringe, bro. Doing this to a 300 horsepower car, I've reached the all-time low.
250.
And racers, make sure your lights are on. Racers, please turn your lights on. Racers, make sure your lights are on.
I heard you, mother. We got some more VQs right here. Okay, okay. Back it up. Got that boosted 370 I keep in the parking lot. That should be mine. So the homie here is saying that this truck is one of or the fastest like all-motor truck in Cali. That's just pretty sick. That shit just looks fast, bro. Sick guy, G. Yeah. Whatever that is, sounds sick.
6.2 liters worth of Corvette.
I got gapped. I slept, bro. How the fuck did I spin? Yeah, that was a fail. I think when I try to like, what is it called? Obviously, it's not launch control. There's another word for it. But to get ready to launch it, the car started like doing a small little burnout. So that like killed it. Yeah, I thought I heard him say that. So the homie's telling me that the guy that gave him the slip told him he needs a helmet. That's boy. You got me.
He told me, he's like, you have a helmet? I was like, nah. He's like, you need one. He's like, you're going too fast. Well, he's like, I don't know how he told me, but he said, point is to tell me I need a helmet.
You got separated. I'm not gonna be able to get my leg back. No matter what, even if I got a perfect launch, there's no way I'm gonna keep up with that truck. That's just fast, bro. It's looking a lot faster than I thought. But after this, I'm probably gonna tell him to give me that 4-year roll. See how bad he gets me on the roll. But hopefully we run this 370, see how it does. Literally the 4-door version of that. Oh, almost ran me over. Bro, you've seen the craziest shit right here sometimes. What the? That should probably still got me. Is that the boosted one? Sick, I think it's a boosted one. See how it does.
Finally getting it.
8.6. Looks like he has some trouble getting off the line. There's that other BQ.
Yes. Stage line left here on the right. And left. Both stages, they roll right in. Here we go. You didn't know that? Yeah, that's how that's you.
No way.
Come to a stop. We'll get you off track. Charger goes 7.
No way, that G37 broke.
The left lane's still rolling. If you're broken, come to a stop.
Damn.
If you've broken something, come to a stop.
There's that G370 right here. You guys got the Trackhawk or that 10-speed 5.0? Damn. I still think the Trackhawk's gonna grab it. You got Trackhawk?
Yeah, I got the track on.
Stage, lights drop.
God.
That makes up the difference. Gets the win, goes 742 to an 876.
Got the G80 right here. I think I see it on the B-Logs. Cars are so badass. Especially when they're custom tuned. Damn. Oh no, that's the one on the B-Lux. My bad. That was the same color. Yeah, that one on B-Lux. On the FFC. The other one was faster. Alright guys, so it looks like I am gonna end up racing the 370. Let's see. See how we do versus the Q50's cousin, and that's a lot skinnier. Damn, I let go, bro, because the light was red. That's so whack. I would have got him for sure. Wow, that's actually whack. Probably got me by like this much because I let go. This is the time strip they just gave me. How the hell does this say the 370 got an 8.8 and I got a 9.8 when we were neck to neck? Alright guys, so we were in the line to go again. I really wanted to race that 370Z again just to see how it would do, like off a clean hit. But honestly, it's kind of late already. It's 9:29. They close at 10, 9:30 now. They close at 10, and lucky there's a ton of cars in front of us, so we probably wouldn't have even been able to go again. So we're dipping. Gonna stop at this gas station real quick, and then we're probably gonna hit Mexico, catch a little 40 roll, see how I do versus this truck off of actual roll, because that truck is built for the digs. I'm pretty sure he's still gonna get me off a roll, but it shouldn't be as bad as the dig, to be honest. There's hella like little mini bikes over there. People are rolling deep, bro. That's sick. This looks badass. Can't get over how good that truck sounds, bro. Oh, and by the way, this thing's still on 91. It's not even on 85. It'll be even faster on E. Damn. This is a state ref package right here. Hey, isn't this shit state refed?
Yeah, like 2 times.
So, we forgot to tell you guys a little something. Show them. Alright guys, time to go home. But like I said, we are gonna hit Mexico real quick. See how this thing does off of 4-year-old with that truck. Like I said, I think I'm still gonna lose. But I shouldn't get gapped. I hope I don't. Not this shit's for sale. Kind of. See how bad we get gapped, guys. Bro, that truck is super loud in person, bro. Like, I'm not even over exaggerating. That shit hurts my ear. That was good runs though. Shout out to homie Ricky for coming out and kicking it over here at her window. Oh, we got a 5.0. I should supercharge this shit, bro. I could be dailying this at like 500 wheel. Perfect. I would have got these two right here. But yeah, like I said, shout out to the homie. That truck is fast, dude. That's not even dialed in. And hopefully we'll catch a rerun once I fix my header leak too. Shouldn't be a big difference, but I know this header leak is taking some horsepower away from this car. Gee. My boy got the skinnies in the front. But yeah, guys, today was overall pretty fun. I do really want to upgrade some suspension parts on the Z. Once I get the other turbo kit though, because I'm sure, bro, the moment I launch that car, it's done with all those stock ass parts. I want to do that and yeah, bring it, because I mean this car's fun to do this in, but it's slow. it's super slow. With that car, I would actually like, I wouldn't say compete, but like I feel like it'll beat some pretty fast cars if I get it to hook and launch pretty nicely. But baby steps first. I am trying to sell a kit and upgrade to another one and then go from there. But I hope you guys all enjoyed today's video. If you guys did, do me a favor, hit that thumbs up for me, subscribe if you're new, hit that bell button so you guys can be alerted whenever I post. Catch you guys on the next one.